How to use Diversified Hair's hair building fibers. Start with clean, dry hair. Shake the bottle gently to loosen the fibers inside. Hold the bottle over the thinning area and lightly shake or tap, allowing the fibers to fall into place and blend with your natural hair. Use your hand or a comb to gently pat the area. This helps the fibers settle and bind to your natural strands for a fuller look. To lock the fibers in place, lightly mist the area with hairspray. Just like with any similar product, the fibers can come off if you touch the area too much, if there's heavy moisture or sweat, or if you press against a pillow or surface overnight. That's completely normal and expected. If you reapply multiple times during the day, keep in mind it can cause clumping or a globbing effect on certain hair types. And don't worry, if the fibers get on fabric, in most cases they'll wash right out. Enjoy your confident, natural look throughout the day. By the way, diversified hair can be used by both women and men. Our mission is to help people look and feel confident every day with natural-looking, affordable hair-building solutions for every hair type and shade, delivered with clear results, honest support, and fast shipping. Thank you for choosing Diversified.